Okay? I think everybody's ready. Don't hesitate to comment, guys, kasi that's the only way that I can feel your presence. With that, let's do another game. Timer starts now. Let's do this. Give me the first word. Cat, green. Let's check that. G R Green. Yes, cat, you got the first word. Green. Start. Start. Very good. Teeth. Teeth. Nice word. Okay, ferret. Is that ferret? F-E, paano siya? Ferret. Pwede, ferret. Stronger. I like that word. Stronger. Very good. Stronger. Center. Center. Yes, we have the word center. Front. Front. Very good. Recent. 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 Very good. Okay, throne. Throne. Nice word. Farther. Let's do that. Farther. Yes, we have the word farther. Nice word. Starter. Starter. Good. Oh, ang ganda ng mga word natin. Northern. I think this is a good set. Northern. Very good for the word northern din, ha? Yes, farther, meron farther. Center is a good word. Green is a good word. Farther is a good word. Regret ba yun? O regret? Regret. I'm not sure, Jeffelyn, meron ba word na regret sa Merriam-Webster.com? Regret? Pwede ba yun? Egret. Egret. Merong egret. Rather. Rather. I know. Rather. Rather. Very good. Father. F-A. Father. Father. Pwede. Pati yung farther pwede rin. Fattener. Fattener. Let's do that. F-A-T-T-E. Fattener. Pwede rin fattener, Dion. Very good. Northern's a good word. Stronger is a good word. Throng. Throng. Pwede rin throng. Throats. Throats. Very good. Throats. Ang ganda ng pagkakakunik ng word throats.